Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Notebook Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Trust you, then God. If yes, then glory be to God Almighty. So, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to design a simple birthday flyer for your loved ones or a welcome to you. So, without wasting much of your time, let's start. And as you know, the very first thing or the best thing I used to do is to bring out the background. So you click on these three button, yeah. You click on it, then you use image from gallery. So let me check the image and download it. So let me check. Okay, it's not here. So let me check another place. Good. So this is the image I'll be using for my background. Then you change your image size to 1280 1280. The 1280 is a custom size for the Pixellab. So you delete this one. So the next thing is to click on your plus button, then you click on this. So this is what I want to use here. Good. So you're going to place it in the middle, so you can actually place it like this. So the next thing now, still click on this. Don't remove your hand from this thing. So still click on it. Sorry, let me go back to it. So you can place it at the middle. Good. So let me place it at the middle. Creative position. Good. Still click on it. So go to your texture. So I'll be using texture here. Then you have to go to your image. So go and click on the image you download, or the image you want to use to do your work. So this is the image I want to use here. I won't be sending you this image because this is my sister's image. So I can't be sending it out like that. So you have to use your own image. But the remaining material I'll be sending it for you guys. So the next thing now is to click on your plus button again. So you bring out any other thing that you want to use for decoration. So I'm going to bring out this one. Good. So I'm going to place it here. So let me see where I place it. So that you good, rotate it, then you place it here. But I won't be using the red color. I won't be doing a color riot. So let me pick out this yellow color here. So the next thing you have to do now is go to your color, then you click on color, then you click on this plus button here, then you click on this color picker. Click on this color picker. Why are we using this color picker? It's because I want to pick out the color. Oh, okay. So we can pick out the color first. So the next thing you have to do now is click on your plus button. Then you go to this image again. You have to go and bring the image out again. So let's go. Let's bring the image out again. Good. Just place it anywhere, or you can even edit. Good. So go to your color again. Click on here. Go to your color. Click on the plus button. Then click on your color picker. Then you come to this yellow. You click on this yellow color. Then you write okay. Can you see it? We are not using colorize for it. So in design, we actually look at color also. Good. So the next thing now is to bring out this. I'll be sending you guys the material that I'll be using for this. Okay, let me check my download. Sorry. Good. So this is it. So I'm going to place it here, right here. So I'm going to give it color blue. This is the color blue. Okay, so let's pick out the color again. So you click on this plus button again. Pick on your plus button. Click on this picker, color picker. Then you click on this color. Good. Then you actually increase the size to blue. That is blue color. Good. Can you see it? Good. So the next thing right now is to write happy birthday. So I'm going to write happy birthday here. happy here. Happy. So I want to check if I give it happy birthday. Good. So go to increase the air. Then you write your happy. So you have to give it color. So you are going to give this color blue that you gave it the other texture. So you're going to give it another font. So what is the name of the font I'm going to use? I have many fonts that I have used for this stuff. So let me search for the font that I use. That is a stylish font. That's what I'll be using. So let me search for the font that I use. Okay, so I'm going to use this color, byte color. Sorry, byte font. Good. So you place it here. Then you click on this plus button again. Sorry. Then you bring out your text. Then you write your birthday. Good. Then you place it here. Let it be aligned. Can put it down a little bit. Then you give this color black. Then you give it another font. Then you can change the font to anything. So let me give it. No, I won't give it that one. No. So I still give it Ben Grab. Okay, yeah, that's the font I used before. Ben Grab. This. Good. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to write our name. Oh, this font. I cannot see this font. So write your new text, then write Faith Okolo. So that is a name. Any other name you want to use for your own, you can actually find yours to use for your own. So going to change the color or the face of color, change to this blue. So let me find the font I use. Sorry, I'll be letting you a little bit as I look for the fonts here. It is not even far. As I shall know, it's not far. It's in my fonts. Sorry. So let me check this meter. No, it is not the font. It is not the same thing. So let me search. I'm still looking for the font. Sorry guys. Just so that you need to actually give any sans serif, sorry, a stylish font, but I want to see the one I used before. That's why I'm searching for the. It has been long I designed it, so that's why I'm still looking for the font I used then. Because I like that font for that place. It's not far like this. No, not this one. So let's use this Asian butterfly for it. So I won't waste much of your time. Asian butterfly. It's also good with that. So the next thing we have to bring out is this. So let me bring out this. So you're going to place it here, increase it, good, increase it. Then you place it there. Then change the color to this color yellow we are using here. Good. So the next thing now is to write the days of the birthday. So you actually duplicate this. You can actually lock this one. It won't be disturbing us. Then you duplicate this one. Oh, then you make it smaller a little bit. Then you break it down here. Good. So the next thing you have to do now is to bring out a shape. Click on your plus button, then bring out a shape, then change the shape to this to circle. Then you can actually place it like this. Let that thing be showing. Then the next thing is to go to your shadow, then give it shadow and give it this color. Can you see it? You can leave it at 10. 10 is okay for it. Oh my, good. 10 is okay. In the edge, so let me make this one a little bit smaller so that I can actually carry it from the edge. Good. So the next thing I'm going to write now is our birthday date. So I'm going to write 30th. So I'm going to use this birthday 30th. So you're going to put it 30th here. So I'm going to change it to blue color. Then you write, you use fit of color, then you write the April, duplicate it, then you write April. Then you place it here. Now let's change the font to the first one you use. Bide. So let's use the bide. Okay, can you see the bide is okay? So let's use the bide font for this. Good. So the next thing I write my my website noblecreative.net. So you're going to place it there, you're going to place it here because of disclaimer or those people that used to work, then you place it at the middle. Good. I think I don't add anything again. This is actually what I add. So good. So we are done with this. You can actually save your work now as image and as PNG. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to get more and like this video. You can also comment to tell me the next project you would like me to teach you or to work on. Please share for others to see. Thank you very much. I love you.